Hi everyone, it's me, Chris, always on the lookout for the latest cutting-edge technologies. The process industries rely on innovative digital solutions in order to stay successful and to stay on top of the game in highly dynamic markets. In addition, they have to replace the traditional oil-based production with renewable ones without compromising quality, efficiency, and also scalability. And that's why I have two experts in the field who I'd like to talk to today. On the one side, we have Miguel Fernandez from Siemens, and also Alex Keto, who is the Vice President International at Cathay Industrial Biotech. First of all, welcome, gentlemen. And Miguel, maybe we can start off with you. You both worked on a solution one can sum up as from corn to shirt in highest quality. What have you done?
Well, we implemented our digital enterprise approach. This is based on integrated engineering and integrated operations, using our process control systems, our engineering tools, and software tools.
Right. Interesting.
Cathay Industrial Biotech focuses on producing high quality, high value new materials using bioprocesses. And what we have done here is, in working with collaboration with Siemens, is built a digital plant that uses technology that was developed by Cathay Industrial Biotech to convert corn into a brand new polymer.
So why did you adopt a complete digital factory solution from Siemens to expand your business?
Well, Chris, we found that traditional chemical process controls would not be sufficient to fully leverage this new technology developed by Cathay. We needed to look at something more comprehensive, not only the range of attributes we looked at, but how we looked at that data after the fact to go and have continuous improvement and fully optimize this technology in the plant. But it goes beyond that too. We also use the technology to take innovation from our R&D group and bring it up to commercialization through the plant.
Wow, what an interesting and innovative alternative process approach. Thank you very much, gentlemen, for your time and the information, and you stick around for more.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.